You're watching the business news, and this is Paloma Quadras bringing you the top news of the week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. In Indian markets, foreign portfolio investors turned net buyers in October. Foreign portfolio investors invested 22,033 crore rupees in Indian markets as participant sentiment was driven by the resumption of economic activities and robust quarterly corporate results. As per depository data, overseas investors invested mostly into equities and some into debt during the month of October. Morningstar India's Associate Director Manager Research, Himanshu Srivastava, has said that the opening of the economy, resumption of business activities, and better than expected quarterly results helped in keeping investor interests intact. He added that the global scenario continues to evolve and there are multiple factors which would dictate the direction of foreign flow going ahead. Tension between India and China, as well as expensive valuations, may hold foreign investors back from substantially investing in the Indian financial market. On the global front, US elections and rising COVID-19 cases could turn investor risk-averse, he added. GST collections crossed rupees 1 lakh crore in October for the first time in 8 months. The goods and services tax collections crossed 1 lakh crore rupees in October, pointing out that the economic activity is headed towards pre-COVID levels. Last month, the collection was 10.2% higher at 1,05,155 crore rupees, making this the quickest increase since growing 15.6% in March last year. Traders support future retail in battle against Amazon. The Confederation of All India Traders has said that Amazon is similar to the East India Company that acquired Indian states and monopolized Indian businesses. Praveen Khandelwal, Secretary General of the Confederation of All India Traders, said that the liquidation of Future Retail Group due to the acquisition battle of Amazon reminds us of the colonial era when East India Company initiated the process of killing the Indian business ecosystem in the same manner by acquiring Indian states one by one and monopolizing Indian businesses. Khandelwal has said that this is an alarm bell for Indian government and conglomerates of corporate India and has exposed sinister designs of foreign-funded MNCs to control Indian retail trade. India's rich boarding business jets amid economic recession. Despite the receding economy, India's wealthy are back to jet-setting in style, boarding private jets and chartered flights to stay away from scheduled flights and crowded airports amid the coronavirus pandemic in the third worst-hit affected nation in the world. Business has been brisk for private jet companies since the 25th of May this year, when they were allowed to resume business. Amid the many sectors ravaged by the pandemic, private plane companies are the few to be flourishing. Samsung reclaims top spot from Xiaomi. Samsung has regained its top spot from Xiaomi, gathering a share of 24% in the third quarter, higher than Xiaomi's 23%. The decline for the Chinese rival comes at a time when tensions are heightened between India and China, affecting the movement of parts and components between the two countries. Xiaomi has moved past Samsung 2 years ago, according to the tracking agency Counterpoint. Counterpoint noted that a negative consumer sentiment against China may be the reason for this trend. Centre will challenge Voda arbitral award. Based on the opinion of Solicitor General Tushar Mehta that an arbitral tribunal cannot render a law passed by a sovereign parliament ineffective, the Centre will soon challenge the Permanent Court of Arbitration award, which quashed the Income Tax Department's demand of rupees 22,000 crore as tax penalty and interest on Vodafone on the grounds that India violated the bilateral investment treaty with the Netherlands by retrospectively amending the law. India should explore a competent forum in Singapore and should not approach the Delhi High Court or the Supreme Court, Mehta added. KKR launches platform to acquire renewable energy assets in India. Virescent Infrastructure, a new platform, was launched by global investment firm KKR to acquire renewable energy assets in India. Virescent would manage renewable energy assets with investment from KKR's investment fund. Globally, KKR has 10,000 megawatts of renewable energy portfolio. KKR has also entered into a definite agreement to acquire other operating solar projects across 3 different states. These projects will also become part of the Virescent platform once it is closed. That's all in this episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share your comments and watch our other episodes. Stay safe, and we'll see you again next week.